the southern portions of the Hermit's Peak and Taft Canyon burn scar. Between 0.25 and 0.75 inches of rain have fallen. The heaviest rainfall has occurred from just north of El Porvenir toward Tierra Monte and the eastern edge of the burn scar. Additional rainfall amounts up to 0.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Excessive rainfall over the burn scar will impact the Cacaloti Creek and Carinas River drainage areas. The debris flow can consist of rock, mud, vegetation, and other loose materials. Hazard, life-threatening drainage areas. The debris flow can consist of rock, mud, vegetation, and other loose materials. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Will experience flash flooding include El Porvenir, Tierra Monte, Sapeo, Montezuma, Gainas, Rosiana, Manuelitas, Mineral Hill, South Carmen, and San Geronimo. This includes the following highways: State Road 94 between mile markers 1 and 13. State Road 518 between mile markers 10 and 24. State Road 283 between mile markers 7 and 12 and near mile marker 14. State Road 200 between mile marker 7 and 12 and near mile marker 14. State Road 200